Good morning friends. Welcome to Diamond of Institutions online classes. Myself Anil Ardra, Senior Chemistry Faculty. In the last class we discussed about the chemical kinetics, that is a physical chemistry. Now we are going to start the organic chemistry. So the organic chemistry उसमें the first chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen atom. What's that? Organic. This is a organic chapter. Organic compounds containing nitrogen atom. This chapter is also named as amines. What's that? Amines. So here actually this amines can be said 5 marks per theory. 5 marks per theory. And one question from Fermi. One question Fermi. And one question for G-mains. And one or two questions for C. So here 5 marks for theory, one question for me, one question for G-mains, and one or two questions for C. So it is a total pattern for the competitive exams and as well as the theory. Now come to the concept now. So what are amines? What are amines? Amines means the derivatives of the derivatives of ammonia. So what is the formula for ammonia? NH3 is formula for ammonia. So here amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. So what's the meaning of derivatives of? So इसमें actually the NH3 means the NH3 means ammonia. So what is the structure of the ammonia? So N. Alone pair of electrons, and here hydrogen, here also hydrogen, and here also hydrogen. So what is the geometry of the NH3? Belongs to the pyramidal. What's it? Pyramidal geometry. Pyramidal geometry. So what is the bond angle here? Bond angle belongs to 107 degrees. So here already we know that. So the NH3 structure NHHH and one lone pair of electrons is present on the nitrogen atom. Now here, what is the shape of what is the geometry of the NH3 belongs to pyramidal. Why it is belongs to the pyramidal? Belongs to the hybridization. So what is the hybridization here? What is the hybridization of nitrogen in NH3 belongs to sp3. So here it belongs to sp3 hybridized molecule. So how we can get sp3 hybridized? So here how many number of sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3. So here 3 sigma bonds are there plus how many lone pair of electrons are there? 1 lone pair of electron is there. That's why 3 plus 1, 3 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair. So here 3 sigma bonds and 1 lone pair, then we can get 4 plus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. 4 means we can get sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. And so what is the atomic number of nitrogen? Atomic number of nitrogen. Hybridization is equal to formula. So the group number so what is the group number? Nitrogen belongs to the 15th group. Simply the 5th group. That's why here 5 plus. How many hydrogens are present? 1, 2, 3. So here how we can get the hybridization? The group number of central atom belongs to nitrogen. So nitrogen ka group number 15 or 5. So here 5. So 5 plus. Here how many number of hydrogens? 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 by 2. So what's the value? So 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, that is So 4 में से हमको sp3 hybridization आता है, sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, how many number of lone pairs are there? How many number of bond pairs are there? Means इसमें in NH3 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds are present. So 1, 2, 3. So there 3 bond pairs are there. 3 bond pairs. Plus what about the remaining one? So out of 4, हमको 3 bond pairs are there. Remaining का नाम only 1 आना. So that 1 belongs to the 1 pair. So it is a formula comes in the chemical bonding. First year में chemical bonding में आता है ये formula. So it is a formula. First year chemical bonding में आता hybridization is equal to group number belongs to 5 plus how many number of hydrogens are there? 3. So 5 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2. That is equal to 4. So 4 means 1 S आना और 3 P आना. So 1 S plus 3 P what? sp3 hybridization. Now out of 4 number of bonds, how many bond pairs are there? How many lone pairs are there? Means इसमें how many number of hydrogens are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 bond pairs are there. Plus इसमें कितना remaining है? 1. So 1 lone pair आना. So it's a hybridization. Now इसमें come to the definition of amine now. So what are the amine? The derivatives of ammonia are called as the amines. So इसमें तो इसमें NH3 आगे ये NH3 में डेरिवेटिव्स कैसा करना है? तो इसमें if one hydrogen in ammonia, one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group, then we can get the amines. So इसमें one hydrogen, how many number of hydrogen है? 1, 2, 3. So 3 hydrogen है, ये 3 hydrogen में 1 hydrogen निकालो, उसका जगह में क्या लेना? alkyl group ले वो. So what is symbol for alkyl group? Belongs to R. So इसमें N. Lone pair of electrons. Actually, this hydrogen is replaced by what? R. Remember, alkyl group. R means alkyl group. Next, remaining acids. So what's the formula here? R N H2. So what's the formula? R N H2. Remember, R N H2. This belongs to the primary amine. Suppose इसमें the second hydrogen also get replaced. Second hydrogen also get replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. We can get the amines. So here it is the formation of the amines. So in any hydrogen of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group. Alkyl group. Then alkyl or aryl group we can get the amine. The amines are. That's why. Next, the classification of amines are there. Classification of amines. Next, classification of amines. So the classification of amines. The amines are actually classified into 3 types. The amines classified into 3 types. What are they? Based on the number of substituent groups. Based on the number of substituent groups. Next one, based on the nature of substituent groups. Based on the number of substituent groups, and the second one based on the nature of the substituent group. Next, the third one, the nature of the based on the type of a substituent group. So those are the 3 types. Now from the first one. Based on number of substituent groups, these are again classified into 3 types. How many types? 3 types. Based on the substituent group, based on the number of substituent groups, these are classified into 3 types. The first one, primary amine. Second one, secondary amine. Third one, tertiary amine. So the primary amines belongs to the primary amines. It is the symbol. So 1 degree amines. Primary amines are 1 degree amines. Next, the secondary amine are 2 degree amines. 2 degree amines. Next, tertiary amines, that is belongs to the tertiary amine, 3 degree amines. So primary, secondary, tertiary to go already पता है वहाँ. So हमको halo इसमें भी हमको आ जाए. है ना अपन बता primary. What are the primary amines? So इसमें देखो the primary amines are obtained by The primary amines are obtained by the replacement of one hydrogen atom of ammonia by alkyl group or aryl group. What's that? The primary amines are obtained by replacement of one hydrogen atom of NH3 by alkyl group or an aryl group is known as a primary amine. So, एक ऐसा ना. So first of all, you have to take the ammonia. So here NH3. So here NH or H. Here क्या होगा? In NH3 molecule हम क्या करेंगे? One hydrogen atom must be get replaced. So in ammonia one hydrogen atom replace करना. So कौन सा लेके replace करने का है? alkyl group लेके replace करना, नहीं तो aryl group लेके replace करना. So then we can get the primary amines. Now here the one hydrogen how many number of hydrogens are there in ammonia? 1, 2, 3. Right? The three hydrogens में one hydrogen is get replaced by the alkyl group. So you can get N lone pair of electrons are H and H. Now so what's the formula here? R N H2. Right here R N H2 belongs to the primary amine. What's it? Primary amine. RNH2 belongs to the primary amine. Next हमको the secondary amine कैसा था? Secondary amine कैसा था? इसमें the secondary amine primary amine में क्या किया? इधर अमोनिया में one hydrogen atom replace किए तो हमको primary amine आ गई. Secondary amine कैसा था? One अमोनिया ग्रुप में two hydrogen से replaced by the alkyl group. Then you can get the secondary amine. So here we got the ammonia, here H or H. Ammonia group. इसमें क्या करने का? So the primary amine से तो only one hydrogen atom can be replaced. लेकिन secondary hydrogen में कितना number of hydrogen atom replace करने का? 2 hydrogen atom replace करना. So here is one hydrogen and here is another hydrogen. So two hydrogen atoms can be replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. You can get the secondary amines. Now इसमें alkyl group replace करेंगे ना. So the एक कैसा नाम? So ये lone pair of electrons इसमें R replace. Again H as it is and last one में R replace. So A भी same आ सकते हैं, नहीं आ सकते. So it is taken as the R, it is taken as the R dash. Now what is the formula here? So R N H R dash. So R N H R dash belongs to the secondary amine. Belongs to secondary amine. So next tertiary amine कैसा था? Tertiary amine कैसा? So primary amine तो one hydrogen replace करना, secondary amine से तो 2 hydrogens replace करना, tertiary amine से कितना replace करना? Very good. So 3 hydrogens से replace करने को है. So here nitrogen. Primary amine 1 hydrogen, secondary amine 2 hydrogen, tertiary amine 3 hydrogens are replaced by our side alkyl groups. So here we can get N alkyl group and alkyl. So here is the same atom, no problem. Different atom go R dash and R. So इसमें R dash and R double dash here. So we can get the formula R N so R dash and R double dash. It is a formula of the tertiary amine. Lower degree amine. So it is the classification of amines based on the number of substituent groups. Now this means in primary amines, what is the general formula and what is the functional group? So here for primary amines, so here the functional group functional group. What is the functional group? Here we got NH2 is a the functional group. In primary amines, the functional group belongs to NH2, and the general formula is a general formula. What is the NH2 or NH2? So here general formula. The functional group is a NH2 and general formula is a RNH2. Next, what about the secondary amines? For secondary amines, the functional group is a NH. And what is the general formula? So functional group means a FG and general formula means a GF. You know, FG and GF. Now it's mean what is the formula? So NH R dash is the general formula. Then what about the tertiary amines? So here for tertiary amines. What is the functional group here? The functional group belongs to only N. And what is the general formula? So here the general formula belongs to the N, R dash and R double dash. So here functional group is equal to what's that? N bond and the general formula R N R dash and R double dash is the total classification of amines based on the number of substituent groups. Next we go for the based on the nature of. Next second classification. So the first one is a number of substituent groups is over. Next we go for the based on the nature of the substituent groups. First based on the nature of substituent groups, the amines are classified into two types. The first one is aliphatic amines. Second one is aromatic amines. What's that? Aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. What are the aliphatic amines? So the amines in which the nitrogen atom of amine group is attached to the aliphatic group. So only aliphatic group को A attach हो गए समझो, those amines are known as aliphatic amine. So इसमें aliphatic group बोलते तुमको फर्स्ट में आता है. So aliphatic मतलब straight chains compounds are called as organic compounds are called as aliphatic groups. So इसमें simply the alkyl groups. So the amines in which the nitrogen atom of amino group. So amino group में nitrogen atom हमको aliphatic group को direct attach हो गए समझो. Those are called as the aliphatic amine. So इसमें examples CH3 directly attached करते nitrogen atom here. So CH3 is belongs to the aliphatic group. So CH3 bonded to NH3. So it is the amino group. Simply the amine. So in amine nitrogen atom the nitrogen atom important the aliphatic group attach simply the alkyl group attach then we can get the aliphatic amine. So CH3 NH2, what's the name of the compound? So belongs to the methyl amine. Methyl amine. Next, suppose C2H5 is directly combined with NH2. So C2H5 directly bonded with NH2. The nitrogen is bonded with the alkyl group. So it belongs to the aliphatic amine. Simply it belongs to the ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. So aliphatic group. Next come to the aromatic group. So what is the aromatic amine? The amines in which the nitrogen atom is directly attached to the ring. But simply the aromatic amines are the amines in which the amines in which at least one benzene ring is present. At least one benzene ring is present. So here the amines in which at least one benzene ring is present. At least one benzene ring is present. Those compounds are called as the aromatic compounds. What's that? Aromatic. So it's made aromatic amine. The amines in which at least one benzene ring is present, those amines are known as aromatic amines. Simply here the benzene ring को पता है so it is the benzene ring. इसमें amines से ना compulsory is either we can get the NH2. So benzene ring NH2 and benzene ring इसमें compulsory हमको at least one benzene ring आना so ऐसा है तो those are called as the aromatic amine. Suppose में और एक compound. So here NH2 लिए and इसमें the CH3. So it is also having one benzene ring with amine group. One benzene ring with amine group. So this one belongs to the aromatic amines. Aromatic. So what's the name of the compound? So it belongs to the benzene amine. So what's that? Benzene amine. So here benzene amine. So benzene amine. And what is the compound here? Take the numbering. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So based on the we got two functional groups are there. What are they? One is NH2. One is NH2 or CH3. So based on the while we are writing the IUPAC name, compulsory we have to take the order of functional groups. That's right. So NH2 and CH3 में first priority किनको देने का है? So compulsory NH2 को देगा और में CH3 को. That's right. इधर से start करना क्या? इधर से start करना क्या? So दोनों में order of priority बेस करके NH2 को first priority देना है. So NH2 किधर है तो उधर one number देने हैं. So 1. Next immediately you can get the CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what's the compound name? So here the name of the compound here. 2-methyl. So second question में हमको methyl रूप में मालूम है 2-methyl benzene amine. Or it is called as the benzene amine. So it is the total is called as a benzene amine. So here the extra functional group है methyl. So the methyl group कौन सा question में 2. It's like 2-methyl benzene amine. So it is the compound. So it is based on the nature of the substituent groups. Next we go for the type of substituent groups. Let's start on that. So the classification of amines is based on the type of substituent groups. The type of substituent groups. So these are classified into two types. The first one is a simple amine. Second one is a mixed amine. Mixed amine. The first one simple amine. So what is a simple amine? Means the amines in which identical groups are present on nitrogen atom. The amines in which the identical groups are present on nitrogen atom in amine. So amine group में nitrogen atom को two identical group से attach हो गए समझो, those are called as the simple amine. Suppose इसमें the NH2, so इसमें MH, here CH3, here CH. So here is the nitrogen group. It is a amino group. In amino group, nitrogen is bonded with CH3 and CH3. So CH3 and CH3 belongs to the identical group. What's the meaning of identical? Identical means same. What's that? Identical means what that? Same. So same groups are present at the nitrogen in amine group. Those are called as a simple amine. So इधर भी हमको same आना, इधर भी हमको same है, this called as a simple amine. So what's the compound name? So here it is methyl, that's right, dimethyl. Two amines है ना? Sorry, two ethers है ना? So it is methyl. So कितना number of methyls है? Two. That's why it is called as a di. So di कौन सा है? Methyl. Dimethyl. What's the compound? So belongs to the amino group. So what's the name? Dimethylamine. Dimethyl. Next step. Our example now. So here C2H5NH again C2H5. So what's the compound name? So it belongs to C2H5. This also belongs to C2H5. So कितना number of C2H5 है? 2. That's right. You can get क्या बोलते हैं? 2 same to same. So क्या बोलते हैं? डाई बोलते हैं. So you can get डाई. इसका नाम क्या है? C2H5 का नाम क्या है? मेथाइल बोलते हैं क्या? इथाइल बोलते हैं क्या? Right. So ethyl. So diethylamine. So it is a diethylamine. It is the name of the compound. So it is the simple amine. Next come to the mixed amine. So mixed amine में क्या नाम? So इसमें तो same groups attach होना, इसमें तो different groups are attached to nitrogen atom in amine group. इसमें A nitrogen को different groups add हो गए समझो, that is called as a mixed amine. And the same groups add किए समझो, that is called as a simple amine. So example लेंगे हम. So इसमें CH3 and NH. इसमें कौन सा ग्रुप ऐड करेंगे हम? CH3 ऐड करना क्या? दूसरा ऐड करना क्या? दूसरा ऐड करना. क्यों? So it is CH3 तो same group इतना है तो simple amines में आता. So ये छोड़ के दूसरा क्या है? भी ऐसे. So CH3 लेने वाला. So CH3 की जगह में इधर C2H5. So it belongs to the mixed amine. Again और एक example. Here C2H5NH. Next इसमें क्या लेना? We can get the C3H7. whatever. So these are called as mixed amines. So what's the compound name? The name of the compound. Here it is in the amines the largest chain लेने का है. So CH3 largest chain है क्या? C2H5 largest chain है क्या? C2H5 largest chain. So ethyl is the main group. So here it is the main group है. It is the substituent. CH3 is the substituent. Okay ना? Now right. ये CH3 N को attach हो गया. So what is the name of the compound? So methyl, and methyl, ethyl amine. So simply na, na ito common name लिखेंगे. So what's the common name? So it is ethyl, it is a methyl, it is a methyl, it is a ethyl. So दोनों में अल्फाबेटिकल में फर्स्ट कौन सा था मां? अल्फाबेटिकल में फर्स्ट कौन सा ना? ethyl. E group बनवा say belongs to ये फर्स्ट लिखते हैं. Say ethyl methyl amine. What's that? It is ethyl, it is methyl. अल्फाबेटिकल में ethyl में E फर्स्ट आता है. Say ये फर्स्ट लिखते हैं. So ethyl बाद में methyl. So ethyl. Next is methyl amine. Now what's the name of the compound here? ये दोनों में it is a ethyl, it is a ethyl group, ethyl group. It is a propyl group. So दोनों में फर्स्ट कौन सा नाम अल्फाबेटिकल में E फर्स्ट आता है क्या? P फर्स्ट आता है क्या? E फर्स्ट आता है. Right? It is ethyl propyl amine. Ethyl propyl amine. So we get ethyl propyl amine. It is the classification of the amines. Next we go for the IUPAC names. IUPAC names of the amines. Next we go for the IUPAC names. So IUPAC names है कैसा ना? So what's the full form of IUPAC name? IUPAC name. So International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry belongs to IUPAC name. IUPAC. Now इसमें IUPAC का है amine से आपको कैसा ना? So general formula general name है माँ. So here is the alkane plus a amine. So ये alkane में last E है ना? ये E निकाल के उनका जगह में ये amine ना. कैसा ना? ये alkane इसका जगह में E है ना? E का जगह में पूरा amine लाके ब्रैकेट और करेंगे the alkane amine. So alkane amine. So it is the IUPAC name of the every amine. So alkane plus amine. E का जगह में E निकाल के उसका जगह में amine रिप्लेस करना. So alkane amine. So इसमें ये नहीं आता देखो E है तो नहीं है इसमें. So it belongs to the IUPAC. Now IUPAC name is taken